everybody. My name is Sadaf.
And I'm Darya.
And we are the twins who are going to teach you how to make our Sadaf salad. Now, we're going to start off with a bowl of romaine lettuce, chopped up, washed of course.
Let's start with our lentils, have great benefits. We're gonna add about half a cup into the salad, or as much as you like.
We're gonna go ahead and add
Persian cucumbers. Great benefits, have lots of water, which your body always needs.
Exactly. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our chopped Roma tomato. Okay?
Great.
Next, what should we add, twin?
Let's do the dates. The dates have great benefits. You have potassium, magnesium. So it gives your salad a nice, fresh, little mild sweetness to the tangy and tartness that you get.
Thanks, twin. Now we're gonna add our black olives. Now, the way my sister likes to do it, what kind of olives do you like?
I like Kamad olives.
So she likes that Greek flavor, a little more salty in the olives. These aren't as salty. I like less salt. She likes more salt. I'm gonna go ahead and add black olives to my Sadaf salad.
These have a milder flavor. So for more flavor, you can add Kamad olives if you like.
Or any olives for that matter. You wanna make sure they are pitted. You wanna make sure they don't go under anybody's tooth and break a tooth. So definitely no pits in our olives.
Yes.
What's next?
Raisins. Raisins are a great source of
Natural sugar.
Natural mild sugar.
And drink it with a side of wine, if you like. We're gonna go ahead and add our chopped walnuts, okay?
Yeah, it's a good source of omega-3. You know how they say whatever fruit or vegetable or item you eat or nut you eat, if it looks like a body part, it is beneficial to that body part. So what does walnuts look like?
Brain.
So it's good for your brain.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's why I eat them all the time.
Okay, so now that our salad is fixed, what we do want to do is add the feta cheese at the end so it doesn't mush and turn our salad into a big mush.
Yeah.
Okay? What we're going to do is add a half of a fresh squeezed lemon.
Let me do it for you.
My twins more.
I do this
Can't
more
do than I
home.
am.
These are kind of big for this thing, so I'm just going to use my hands, and if it sprays, it's going to get
You wash your hands?
Yes, I did.
She washed her hands.
Last week.
There we go. I would add another half. That's a big salad.
Let's do that.
So a whole fresh lemon.
This gives your vitamin C, your citrus.
Perfect. Now we're gonna add extra virgin olive oil. I like a lot. You can add as much as you like. Little.
Great for your hair and your skin.
Perfect. Thank you. And a pinch of salt, twin. You like it salty. She likes it salty. I would do 1 pinch. Do you want to turn my bowl while I do this?
Yes. Teamwork. Twinny work.
All right. I think we are all set. That looks good. What do you think? Good?
Can I try?
I'm going to bring the plate. You can try Reese, go ahead. And can you hold this while I pour it into our plate?
Yes.
And then we're going to top the cheese. All right.
And again, if you don't like it too salty, ease up on the salt because your feta cheese has salt.
Good
So
point.
if you add, like right now, this is too little of salt for me, but I know once the cheese goes in, it's perfect.
Excellent. There we go. That looks delicious. This is an excellent vegetarian salad. You can have just on its own. Yep. Okay. And then we're just going to add the feta cheese on top.
And if you're serving it to your guests, the little parsley would be a perfect garnish for it. Good.
Twin. All done. Sadaf salad. There you go.
Beautiful. Thank you. Now can we eat it? Can I eat it?